Hello, my name is Stephanie Weiler, and I'm an attorney at Catholic Charities. Today, I'm going to walk you through the new child tax credits. In March of 2021, Congress passed an increase to the child tax credit, also known as CTC, which gives families with children a larger tax credit. Families can receive the CTC as a monthly payment from July to December of 2021 instead of waiting until they file their 2021 tax returns next year. The CTC is a refundable credit from the American Rescue Plan, which was the second COVID stimulus package. It's available to families with children who are age 17 or younger. The tax credits lower the amount of the money you owe in taxes. If a refundable tax credit is larger than the taxes you owe, then the government will give you the remaining money. For example, if you owe $1,000 in taxes and you get $1,400 in a refundable credit, you would still get $400 back from the government. As a parent, you can only get credit if the child or children live with you for more than half of the year. Payments will be $300 per month for each child in your household under the age of 6, and $250 a month for each child in your household ages 6 through 17. And those ages are as of December 31st, 2021. You will get the CTC tax credit for all 12 months of 2021, but the monthly payments will only be from July until December. This means that the first 6 months of 2021, January through June, will count as a refundable tax credit when you file your 2021 tax return next year. Right now, the increased CTC and monthly payments are only for the tax year 2021. We'll update our blog post and this video if Congress votes to extend the changes into the future years. Children must have Social Security numbers, or SSNs, for families to be eligible for the CTC. Parents do not need to have an SSN, but if they don't have a Social Security number, they need to have an Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, or an ITIN, to claim the CTC for their eligible children. Families are eligible to receive the full monthly payment if the parents are married and they're a couple making $150,000 or less per year, or if the family has a single parent that files as a head of household and they make $115,000 or less per year. Families who make more than this may still receive some tax credit, and there's no minimum income required to get the CTC for tax year 2021. You do not need to file taxes to get the CTC, but if you have not filed taxes, some extra work might be required. The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, will use your tax return information to decide if you are eligible for the CTC payments. If you filed a 2020 tax return by May 17, 2021, and are eligible for the CTC, the IRS will send you CTC monthly payments starting on July 15, 2021. If you did not file a 2020 tax return, the IRS will use information from your 2019 tax return to decide if you are eligible. If you did not file a tax return in 2019 or in 2020, but you applied online to get stimulus money, and you are also eligible for the CTC, you will get your CTC payments. If you did not file a tax return and also did not apply online for stimulus money, but you are eligible to receive the CTC, you can still sign up. You go online and you use the Child Tax Credit Non-Filer Sign-Up Tool. To use the non-filer sign-up tool, you'll need the following information: full names and Social Security number, or ITINs for the qualifying parents, for all adults and children in the household. Second, you'll need an email address. Third, you need your address. Fourth, you'll need your banking information if you would like to receive your payments through direct deposit. If you file a tax return or you use the tax credit non-filer sign-up tool later in 2021 to sign up for your CTC payments, you will just get larger payments each month until December. The amount will equal 6 months of payments. If you are a DACA recipient, you can claim the CTC for your children if they have a valid SSN. If you have an ITIN or a valid SSN, you can claim the CTC for your DACA recipient dependent children because all DACA recipients have a valid SSN. Receiving the CTC or any other tax credits will not affect your immigration status or your ability to get a green card. USCIS does not look at tax credits you receive when they decide whether or not you are a public charge. Starting July 15th, 2021, parents will get a monthly CTC payment on the 15th of every month between July and December 2021 if they have filed a tax return or signed up online and are eligible. Families can receive the CTC payments either by direct deposit or as a check by mail. When families file their 2021 tax return next year, they will get the rest of the CTC as a refundable tax credit for the first 6 months of 2021, since monthly payments did not begin until July. If you would like to check to see if you are already enrolled for CTC payments, to unenroll for tax reasons, or to verify or change bank account information, please go to the IRS Child Tax Credit Update portal online and choose Manage Advance Payments. If you have questions about what is best for you and your family, contact a competent tax professional. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe here or go to our website if you're interested in more content like this.